In this video, we'll show you a Range Rover Sport rear airbag replacement. The video only shows the steps for one-sided replacement. In practice, airbags need to be replaced in pairs. Prepare the airbag and removal tools before disassembly. Raise the vehicle with a lifting platform. Tire removal. Carefully release the trachea until you hear the sound of air escaping. Remove the fender. Hook out the top retaining clip. Push up to remove airbag. Compare whether the old and new air suspensions are consistent. Then you can install the new airbag. Fasten the top clip. Reinstall the trachea. Then put the fender back on. Finally, put back the tire. Vehicle. Inflate the bag. Check with diagnostic equipment. Tighten the tire after checking. To complete the installation. After the installation is completed,